بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Hello guys, today we are talking about the time switch. Mostly we are using this time switch in our street light, in our plant area, but here we are using in a wastewater treatment plant. So this is a switch, GX time switch, and you can see here the specification, like for normal 100 volt to 220 we are using, and this we will open now. You can see inside. Look at the shape, is very simple, very simple, and very good for your automatic time switch. So which time you want to switch on the light and which time you want to switch off the light, you can set the time. It will automatically switch on and switch off the light, like the street light. And this is the battery. This battery we are using for the time, for the actual time. This is like a clock we are using for the clock, and this is the incomer to 20 volt AC, and this side for the outgoing for the lights. So 2 wires from the light, 2 wires from the power light should be inserted here. And the next one is the light, this one for power to 20 volt, this one for the switch for the lights to 20. Okay, this is the switch button. It's the lights. When you connect the power, so it will switch on. And this is the buttons like auto, off, on, showing here. And this is the simple diagram I make here. This side is red neutral, like power source will come here, and you can connect to that line. Okay. So from here you see this light sections. So first of all, connect the power, red yellow, then red yellow. Okay, so you will see the light switch on, switch off. From here you are controlling this power section here, and for this one is the light section. Okay, so now we are coming to the this button for the off, auto. You need to keep auto, or you need to keep on, so the light will be on. Okay, and this preset time, we need to reach here to the preset. Up one is time set pane, outside on, and this for the battery. Okay, already I told you here we need to connect the battery for the clock running. Okay, it will work like for 1 year or for a long time, I don't know, it's depend on the battery life. Okay, you need to put one battery, and here time set, so you will check the time. Now for example at 9:30 you need to put 9:30. If the time is more like 9 o'clock, you need to put 9 o'clock. Okay, so it depends on your current time. You will check the time in your watch. Okay, if 9 o'clock you need to put 9 o'clock. Okay, and this the other one is like numbers 1 2 3 up to 24, so it's showing 24 hour. So from which time you want to set the time, so you need to set from your clock. Okay, so this is small number you see, and this small blue color, this blue color we need to switch on for the lighting. So already now we connected, you see the light is on, and this battery already connected. Okay, so now already power connected this side, another side light connected, and outside we connected, so you will see after some time. Okay, so this is the time. Now the current time is like to this one, so I will connect the time. Okay, just for testing I will show you. I fixed this one. This light you see, power is on, outside you see the light is on. Okay, because I put the time for 15 minutes, so now switch off already, you see here. Okay, now you will see when it go here. Okay, the light will on. Okay, see when it reach here, the light is on. And now 15 minutes here, light for 15 minutes, it will off. See, dark. It give you sound, it will give you sound. See the time is now, we need to put the time like 2:50, so I will put the time 2:50 here. See, 2:50 I put now my current time. And now I want to do the time setting for my lights, outside outdoor lights for the plant. So I need to set the lights. So see here, I will switch on. Okay, so from here one slot showing like 15 minutes. Okay, so our total is 48 slots I put it, because until 6 o'clock I need 48.